Hey guys, Matthew Letendre here. Welcome to my next video. And in this video, we're going to talk about Exitus Elite and why I believe it is an 8-year affiliate business done right. And that is mainly because of Paul Stevenson, the owner of Exitus Elite. He is always putting us members first and the company, and he's always adding new updates and changes to help us get more sales, to help us learn more about affiliate marketing and how to find success in it. Our Genesis products are all training courses. Exitus Elite itself is an all in one training platform to help you to start your own online business. Now, just like the picture in front of you says, trusted 70-year-old life-changing business comes with everything you need. And it does. We have 5 product levels. We have the G100, the G250, the G500, the G1000, and the G2000. So, and this is all the training that you get in the different training levels. And each one of these is a course within itself. So it's not just like you buy the G100 and you get one course. You get multiple courses and on different ways of getting leads and sales into your business. And you're going to get all the training and support you'll ever need to find success online. And we even have mindset trainings in here. Your mindset is an important way. Developing a positive mindset is a good way of helping you succeed in your business. G1000, the one I came in at, you got all these interviews from these highly successful people that have started their own online businesses over the years and how they found success. And then you got additional training down here. And then you got your G2000 right here. So in Exitus Elite, we get to choose how we get paid, and we get paid 100% instant commissions to the payment processors that you choose. I chose PayPal, Cash App, and I'm thinking about using Zelle in the future as well. But you got all these different payment processors that you can choose from. So in Exitus Elite never holds our money ever. So we pay each other our commissions. So I'll show you how that works. So let's say you come in at the G1000 like I did. What's going to happen is you're going to pay the yearly membership fee, and then you're going to pay your sponsor their commission. So this is a yearly membership fee. We do not take any automatic payments on renewal. So you won't get charged again unless you decide to continue using Exitus Elite. Important, to participate in the Exitus Elite compensation plan, you have to make a product purchase via your sponsor. So again, the sponsor is basically the person that brings you in. So since the G1000 makes $1,000 commissions, you pay $1,000 to your sponsor. And then same goes for the G100, the G250, the G500, the G2000 as well. So that's how you pay for the products in Exitus Elite. Now, Exitus Elite has a one-up compensation plan. So what that means is when you make your first sale, that first commission is going to get passed up to your sponsor or the person who brought you in. So I made my first sale a few weeks ago, and let's go to the dashboard. And as you can see, I'm at G1000 and I'm qualified. So I'm now qualified to make $1,000 commissions. Now what's going to happen is when your referrals start making their first sales, they're also going to pass up their first $1,000 commission up to you as well. Now I'm just using the G1000 as an example because that's where I came in at. But so you're going to make your regular $1,000 commissions, plus you're going to make the residual commissions off of your pass ups, your referrals for sales as pass ups. So once you're qualified, you only pass up You only pass up your first sale at the G500 and above. So at the G100 and the G250, they don't. Every commission is yours, and the reason why they do that is because they want you to make as much money as you can. So in the future, if you want to upgrade, you can. So since I am at like you can, since I'm at the G1000, I got when I came in at that level, I got all these products at no extra cost, including the commissions that I can make off of each level. So I can make $100 commissions, $250 commissions, and $500 commissions. Plus, I can also get overrides. So I'll tell you what that is. So an override is another form of pass up. So let's say you came in here at the G100 and you made a G1000 sale. So what's going to happen is you're still going to get your $100 commission due to you, but the remaining $900 of that commission is going to get passed up to me because I am the next person qualified. So that's another way you can make those commissions too. So if you came in at the so never mind. So that's just another pass up. So I talked about the compensation plan, how it works, how you can set everything up. Now, let's say you want to upgrade to the next level. So again, let's say you came in at the G1000 level and you wanted to upgrade to the G2000. All you're going to have to do is just pay the difference for what you already purchased here. So if you want to upgrade here, you're going to take $299 off of the membership fee and $1,000 off the commission paid. So you only pay the difference for what you already purchased in your last product. And that goes for the G100, G250, and G500 as well. So if you came in at the G500, it'll be the same thing. So when you come at your highest level, you don't have to pay anything towards the other products as well. So when you become a member of my team, you're going to get our team bonus training. So you're going to get additional training on top of all the other trainings. And we have 27 videos here that you can watch. This is from a six-figure earner. He's also my friend. I've been doing different businesses with him over the years, and he knows his stuff. And everything that I do, I've learned from him. And right now, he has 5 links that are live that you can watch. He has more. He's going to be updating all these in the future. By the time you get to this page, they may already be updated. We also have questions and answers here. These are all videos right here breaking down different topics about Exitus Elite. And then Generation 2, we have some Craigslist training. We have the Mega Swipe File page, which I'm going to talk about in a minute. Then we have some Instagram training, and we also have a place where you can actually buy some traffic for your Exitus Elite business. And then Generation 3, we have some share codes. If you have Power Lead System, you can use these share codes. And then we have more training here. Now, Exitus Elite, we already have high quality pages. I'm going to show you one of them right now. I'm going to show you Control V. This is just an example of one of the quality of this opportunity. This is a lead capture page that you can use to promote Exitus Elite. And when people opt in, there's also an autoresponder campaign that goes out on your behalf as well. I just wanted to show you that real quick too. So if you don't have a website builder or a lead capture page builder like Power Lead System right off the bat, you can also just use these pages as they are. So now we're going to go to the Mega Swipe File page. So this is we give you all the different links to different places where you can promote Exitus Elite online. These are all the links right here, but we also provide the headlines right here, and we also provide the ad bodies. So you can copy and paste them as they are, or you can make changes to them as well. But you're going to get all this right here, and we also have some Craigslist scripts here and some Facebook scripts here too if you want to promote on Facebook. So, and then here's a few pointers from my friend on how to post in Facebook. And then we got our team ad art down here, which I already showed you. And I'm going to show you that all of them right now. And these are just for illustrational purposes to show you what is possible with Exitus Elite. These are all commissions that my friend has made. He came in at the G1000. And these are just some examples, some screenshots from his PayPal. And this is actually very possible because we have the high ticket commissions that we can make in Exitus Elite. We can make the $100 commissions, the $250, the $500, the $1,000, and the $2,000 commissions. So these are all examples of what you can make in Exitus Elite. And just to show you, is Exitus Elite still going strong? It is, because this was actually a screenshot of a commission that my friend made from November of last year. So yes, over 7 years later, this opportunity is still paying out. And that's pretty much it. That's pretty much all I'm going to say in this video, guys. If you like to come in contact with me, all my contact information is in the description below, including my Facebook link. So I always recommend that people follow me on Facebook and send me a friend request. So you can also, if you don't want to use my phone number, you can also use the Facebook Messenger app. There's a phone icon inside that app where you can actually send me a call. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment below if you have any questions for me, and also hit the subscribe button and the notification bell next to it so you'll be notified when I upload new content. And I will see you guys all in the next video.